Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Vivian. Today we will learn how to make microwave chicken wings. It's a simple dish to learn even for lazy people. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 8 chicken wings. Cut the chicken wings twice slightly. Then save them for later. Second, add a quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, half tablespoon peanut oil, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce to the chicken wings. Rub the chicken wings with our hands. Make them as tasty as possible. Then let them marinate for more than half an hour. Next, we should prepare 6 clean cherry tomatoes. Cut each of them in half. Then save them for later. Next, pour 20 grams of breadcrumbs into a dish. Then coat chicken wings with breadcrumbs evenly. Then place them on the grill. Then place the grill in the microwave. Now we can start to cook microwave chicken wings. Select the microwave grilled chicken wings button, then bake for 12 minutes. After 8 minutes of baking, the microwave automatically pauses. At this time, we take out the chicken wings, then turn them over. Then put them back in the microwave. Continue baking for 4 minutes. When the microwave pauses, take the chicken wings out. Put them evenly on the plate in order. Then garnish with the cherry tomatoes. The microwave chicken wings are done now. The savory odor of chicken wings made me hungry. Hope you can enjoy it.